ebi mpanyinfo beka chom so omonko ebi so eguso a wonom ehwe se nneoma tutu yie ade ama omo no kwasem wo se krobia Asante Kotoko ani abre se wonom omode mo so ani ndie Kotoko will maintain them, of course. Mode money the answani no Kotoko ready say obeja omo kwan na wonom enso akọ me be ka cha o say urum ewa dakoja cha Kotoko ewo 2 foreign players bi omo anase 2 Congolese players pacho ti nkomoni ye 2 Congolese players bakudin ade mayele we come mayele si me sure say mpanyifo a etie ye de yenya ka mayele na no mayele akosi apedin na eba mutirim ti bako ade mayele bako ade kabala bako ye right back and a winger bako ye center back. Asante Kotoko are making a final decision on the 2 players. One a free Congo a buy. Chenye pa exclusively. Memfa and Samana and Fama. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omo final decision on Mayele and a Kabala. Any Asante Kotoko no we interested in right back no. Because right back no omo fan as a backup. There is Kote ewo. Ena Kotoko ehwe ni mu say Lord Amwa. Ena branch the did Shaibu Abubakar. En to omo a ombenya more options. Again, Lord Amwa age, Shaibu Abubakar age na ewo form Eti Kotoko anya desperate for a right back. A branch no money yedie. But 3 days ni a branch did Augustine Randolph. And so se training ase. Ewa dakojachi. Augustine Randolph. Former captain at the Macarela United. The brana Carela ewo enyina no. Wa captain Black Galaxy Spain. Nana Mposa last season, before the last season, I said, Obekona, Nenije, a branch did Augustine Randolph on Yepa. Augustine Randolph has started training with Asante Kotoko. Now the cost involved, Kotoko the Congolese right back, no? Far outweighs the cost of Kotoko, Augustine Randolph, and I say any other local player. The idea is that by January, the Fiori and Abba. And Fiori and Lord Amwa. It's Asante Kotoko decided say wing back, lateral. I know a free Congo a buy no. One more and twaso and fama player ni beam. The decision has been made. Center back no more demono. Yeah, quite a koja chidi. Yeah, ya cook here USD one year no. Now he cannot I was so. But Kotoko has opted against signing the Congolese center back. Kotoko has opted against signing the Congolese center back. That I know for a fact. Eti Kotoko decided say the 2 players of free Congo by no. Wamu ede esum ABC ebeda omase no mako eno enkoma efiri o eba na yede ehun nsem no ede amaso 2 Congolese players no esa go back now to the 2 players from free Cameroon eba no 2 Cameroonian players and eba 1 goalkeeper na supporters nangaza to the Kotoa ena bako midfielder yemfa ntuja se Asante Kotoko final decision Stanley Menzo ene ne head coach Eric Tinker kama mutipa mo wama teki and say sa 2 Cameroonian players and so no yemfa so many. In fact, in the last 3-4 days omom kwada ko ja chiri nyina hu say Cameroonian goalkeeper nkra omabiem say okoko trainer 4 goalkeepers no yewo Aziz Haruna Dari, Benjamin Chum, Clever Obey, and a Donald Ibrahim Abeka on I4. Cameroonian goalkeeper Cotoano or Mabim, a Chelsea brancheno, and paying for any year. Patromata say, one any year. 82 players no so free Cameroon a bino, Omunina. Nessa 4 new 4 year 4. 2 from Congo, 2 from Cameroon. And pay for them. Now there is a Burkinabe midfielder. Burkinabe midfielder. Ewo Asante Kotoko. Ne modemono asompanyifo ni papa. The Burkinabe midfielder. And now me chere mo say oye tia na mo under CK akono na Kotoko ewo youth team boy bi ndide Richard Senanu samu kai Senanu prae e ma Dr. Chemu de ko Germany ko yes surgery ade obai na was on extending the contract bi oh Richard Senanu a branch where tia say Joe Busquets mu a number. Yes, Kabiru that's a power. Now, no question woman say, we impress a company for. Ama normally we are foreign about trials now on Shakotoko or more training case maybe because I'm vow. Sadian, I will legal implications of Kabiru. Say play and show case maybe. Now, oh, training you naturally will plan to be say on Shana. Once or show official training kit in Ukraine. Or do you call FIFA budget compensation, man? Now, branch any dinner and your cobra busa money and see a Abdul Kader. Kader, no, I are enjoy because a Kadir. My name said, yeah, French for the pronounce no. We're impressed the coach, we're impressed the director of football. Now, I can tell you, sir. In terms of sporting wise, footballing reasons, Kotoko are done with this particular player. They are Kotoko engine home contractual adiano. So as a player no obey son and what they say. Tiafena Edrusi Kasem. Obey just saying Yabama saying we want to sign you for these number of years. They've been say. Afena Kotoko any due diligence. So branch or register na ye. On your be player. On a club bini contract and what Ganiaba. Kotoko enkoye bibia actually the problem ebe bra Asante Kotoko. Obi nko report Kotoko say the akano no. Tiamfa say 80% done. 20% no administrative and nioma I don't Asante Kotoko on this Burkinabe midfielder. And I can tell you sir or the first foreign player could settle on. Asante Kotoko settle on. The final decision is that they will sign this player, all things being equal, all else constant. Ceteris paribus. Sebibia an sankadienum. Sebibia mfrisro amete bayina ahoma mu dia yinim se bayira ne bebo. Na branche no, or a typical central midfielder. Otimi pass number 6 so. Wa kwa da koja chi bia no nan se o mo che e ba ya coach ndene ka ayi jawu coach ne tai e bono alongside you be jawu no mo mienu e di agro wo mfimfin ho ti bet ma bono 8 no wa bo jawu 10 ne bia double anase prince badu iskonum a pia fre kire di aba ana pen sanso a we no bet ma sit deep na branch the thing ade Emmanuel Entry abu 8 no Entry performance na shasi pija na fei ode Joe abo 10 no said the coach ni be bia no the coach na say but met ma catch us Asante Kotoko finally omo decision and it's a branch the thing ade Abdul Kader ne de wonum ebe kipi abranche no ewo crop ya Asante Kotoko eti all the foreign players omo buy no we any player so far and paying for a settle on say wonum ene no ebe adwuma going forward and paying for settle on this particular player which me ede ehon adanse and so ede amawa enyasem ketwakra. This is something that we know. Now mama fun to just say odu ani kirem ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko ewa nyame aduma Monday Kotoko for expect 3 foreign players. Makaze coach no wa brene Charles semono coach na brene Charles semono and waka champion for say baby adru no ese omukọ monim enti the discussion is players about joining on Kotoko every 2 weeks of preseason. Kotoko are done with 2 weeks of preseason. They are entering into the 3rd week of the preseason, and that will begin tomorrow. And coach them pair players I am for no but there be it will catch champion for say 3rd week of preseason. By the time we're here, now we're pruning down the squad to about 24, 25, maximum 26. So 26 players, and a coach at the Baba call we have finished. Coach at the back call preseason one cry. I got to us on. Enti Uram Ewo Asante Kotoko coach and then the director of football as well. Yeah. Omodi almost settle on say by the middle of this week, latest by the end of the week, because players be ever be training from last week Tuesday. The likes of Emmanuel Entry, of the Che Pafo, any Omo Makano. A America Kakrana of the Omo pulling down the squad. Now the additions Abeba and Metmaka Jose Kabiru Kotoko ever taught between 8 and 10 players. Between 8 and 10. He said, I class goalkeeper back beba. Right back and back up beba. Central defenders, Minu and Asa Miensa, non quite 5. Kotoko Efabo can be midfield the year 6, no. Wingers, Ebeba, Mankasa Wingam, say wingers. Ebeba. Mienu Krabe Kanwa, 7, 8, striker 9. So Kotoko are likely to sign between 7 and 10 players. 7 and 10 players and match oppositions of the Mababon. And Stanley Menzo and a retankra ewa Jumaya said as by the end of this week, no more is our transfers in on the 10th and then 2nd, 8 days away from now, Kotoko will move to Accra to continue the 2nd phase of the preseason. By the time I got ebe movie, I could PM or Mokotwa preseason. No, now so my sign who plays in a year, no more Mako. Players of Muyomo, now say Kotko, a jow moye, Kaisa 23rd. And your window ne closey. And as a place is all we yamono. Uja mon time said about almost when clubs are registered Yamomo, no Makwakobo. When you know, said the Encomono, Etie L.Y. day a home seven, Tuja. Me wo Kwame Poku information power, fantastic information on Kwame Poku Bay. Me wo information ewo Inusa Adams home. Me wo information at the far Emsen Rival shape bar for the no. Ya boss or the mamu. Ya boss mamu say Elvis is likely to follow Kwame Poku na makacha mza no. It is not about indiscipline. Okay, it could be about that, but empanyinfo no every player no omo anka indiscipline asem. Omo anka indiscipline asem. Di omo kan nyina no ekoye se me so omo ka che Kwame se you 6 strikers. We are the C's on the pecking order. Yes, sir. You are the C's choice striker. And we feel that wow into opa for the chim baby for and then come on in the but they be at the underpinning reason and some maybe if I come poku no be no then Kwame so enra on the status of course Makachenko for say o try there two status and your private beam unje ni pa WhatsApp no a social media handle. WhatsApp a social media. It is so akọ Facebook akọ publish there. Now be far no aka say bia private information but there be private. When I send a message to Kabiru, it is a private conversation. If I put a message to Kabiru on a WhatsApp platform, public nipa ebere also a private bi. Ti Kwame ekotro ewo ni status we can't tell ourselves the truth, so we keep lying to ourselves. Kwampoku mame mfanto monim say o peples o ma ben power Asante Kotoko o say ono no person o you or a professor of literature. 87.9 yeah Kwame no professor of literature it o literature or SHS na uko ni school no mo ya de power literature no na Kwame kan o tebrofo brutal o say ko tu ko South Africa ni ade no omo yi play am na ka say Kwame na no mo yi no. Or say we can't tell ourselves the truth, so we keep lying to ourselves. But if we want to act like you can if you want to act like you can fight for your right, peace and your future, you attack the bad one, so let's kick you out. I am not coward. I will speak at the right time. Who Jah bless. The trust here, no one cares, and the Kwame Avama. Na eno o de ba twi mu a yesi de nyame ahira no. But o de ko abebuo mu ande Kabiru ntiase. O de kwa akan abebu yesi abuburo kosua. Ade ebe ye nseda. Ti kwampoku zo no ya abuburo kosua. Na ade ebe ye no enseda na ase no. Masre se Kwame, keep your cool. The first reason tia Kwampoku Okotoko no bono IB on our performance at drop last year. Number 2, Kwame eba Kotoko Justice Blay e more fans Okotoko chen. Sa issue na happen o de up on social media. Obi o tro bibia say an e na only Justice Blay kwa na sacrifice Blay e na eja Blay no e more fans Okotoko chen. Ti supporters e bebrebe fan say okra na abaye ma e pam Blay. Tia no wasemba mo kan with different level. What is important o carry no. Se obeko anim. No ato so about ball. Enti sa se na ka say at the right time you speak no. I wish that when you speak at the right time, nobody can stop you from speaking. But when you speak at the right time, you'll be speaking with full of gratitude to Asante Kotoko. Mo kai say Kwame Poku be half season. Half season. I will share 14 goals no. Kwame ye ko Unity Cup mo kai so ko bi there. Black Stars e ko Unity Cup e London no. Kwame Poku be ye e ko bi. Sad time Kotoko e South Africa. Had Kwame Poku muzo picky injury. Last season they take Kwame Poku went to Mamon. Obi e me injury. Kotoko South Africa last season. Akobo Toyota Cup sana Kwame Poku ya fita. Anzo money Kotoko bo na Kaizer Chiefs on. Ya starting game na Kaizer o pray o free. Sa Kwame na ya fita bia ka South Africa ko anko moto. It is this business about at the right time I will speak. Yes, you have to speak at the right time. But I know you are very intelligent. When you have the opportunity to speak, thank the Kotoko family, appreciate them, and move on with your life. For now, decision in who go take a decision. Whatever decision you want to take the best decision. C'est fini, finito. Ouya, on y a Asante Kotoko in yasam. I know I kakra and so free or eba. Yaba near the more at also Eddie Amam.